I love butter. I'm so glad that butter is gluten-free, and I really think that butter is one of the wonders of the world. However, no offense, butter. Here's the deal. When I first started baking with gluten-free flours and making a cake, I would, as always, cream the butter and the sugar, add the eggs, the vanilla, do the usual steps, and those cakes would come out dense. They'd come out overly springy, like you could bounce a little ball off of them. That's generally not what we want for our cakes. It took me years to figure out that the problem is butter does not play well with gluten-free cakes. In fact, actually, butter is not really that great for cakes in the first place. A lot of cake makers will tell you you want oil instead. Why? The milk solids in butter, which are wonderful things, will actually kind of cling to the starches in the flour. And together they make this dense trap of milk solids and flours, and that's why you get density. That's why you get a springiness. So, all you need to know if you want to make the best gluten-free cakes is to use oil instead. You can use any oil that works for you, and frankly, you can just use the one that's in your kitchen whenever you're making the cake. But the one we prefer when we plan ahead is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a marvelous thing. It has some of the richness of butter, and of course it's oozy and lovely. It also has that marvelous quality of melting quickly. So if you want to make that cake fast, there it is. The coconut oil blended with the eggs and the sugar and the flour makes a light, fluffy cake, not the sad, dense, springy cake that butter does.